Hi everyone, so I'm going to be unboxing my Boxy charm. I believe this is November, so behind in life, yes. Oh my god, trying to get these boxes open. So very excited to receive Violet Floss's Sunset eyeshadow palette. Violet Floss is definitely one of my favorite. I just think like it lasts so long and like, oh, love the colors. So from my December look box, I got a brush set. Boom! So let's use these brushes to kind of do the look. So I have a tapered blending brush, and I'm going to go into Sunset and just apply this to my crease. I always think pinks and purples just kind of work nicely together, and even if you're like, I don't know about pinks, like use it as that first crease color. Just say I do like the brushes that they have a little bit of a grip to them. I'm just going to go into Desert Sand next. This is their shadow brush. I'm still just going to apply this in my crease. So I'm using the top because it is a little bit more fluffier. Going in with the concealer brush, I'm going to go into Peach. Tap off and apply this on my lid. So I do wish kind of with BoxyCharm and their sale, that like you would get the box maybe before the sale starts, so that are like at least know what you're getting. Going into Lilac, just going in with the tip of this brush and putting it on my lower lash line. And because it's gonna add also a little bit of that peach shimmer underneath, but that is okay. with me. Definitely like those like peachy colors. Like, I like it. I'm just going to go into dusk with that shadow brush and kind of just tap it in to that outer corner of my lid as well. But I was very happy with this look even without that. I just always like to smoke out my outer corner. I have to say, like, I've forgotten to tap off, but I still don't find it like bad at all. So just with my finger, I'm going to go into vanilla and just kind of apply this above. Like normally I do this with a brush, but just kind of keeping it at the brushes I have on hand. It has a little bit of a shimmer into it. So really like this palette. I'm just going in with a brush, so I did not tap off all the time, so there's a little bit of fallout, but considering how many times I forgot to tap off, like not bad with the fallout at all. And I do think like the colors, like they do color palette, like colors very nice. I find they know their formula for that. So just popping on some mascara. So just popping on, I don't even know, just trying to combine both those words. Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara that I know I've gotten in my Boxy charm. Like I think I've used it once, but just giving it a try. Some nice kind of mascara to go with like Boxy charm items that I'm trying out. So my Violet Floss palette is $37, I think. Like, I don't think it's that much when buying in Canada or like from the exchange rate. But obsessed, love it. From Kate Somerville, I have their Goat Milk Moisturizer Cleanser, so might give it a try. I know like a lot of people like Kate Somerville, so like she is a good skincare, not just something that I'm like wow, but I do think kind of more of like anti-aging, moisturizing is what they're good for. From Oasis, Glow Oasis, I have their Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisturizer Milk Toner. I like Milk Dew, like that just doesn't sound right. So nice a bottle. How much is in you? So 120 milliliters. Oh, it has a little stopper. I always like when they have little like stoppers, just because I feel like it's an extra sorry, protection. So again, like I don't like, I think that this box, like winter coming, when it came, and winter like kind of being around, to have kind of like moisturizing items is like good, because like your skin's first kind of getting used to the coldness of winter. The dry heaters coming on is just not the greatest for your skin. So that is $34. So again, for a toner, I don't think I would spend that much on it. I do think toners or something like do a bottle of witch hazel, like investing, you know, like your serums, your moisturizers is the better way of spending your money. From Lily Lashes, the Falling For You lashes. So it's a limited edition. Again, like, so I'm not going to try them on because I'm not good with lashes. Like, I can just make metallic lashes work. So I will find them a good home, because I know like Lily Lashes are supposed to be like a popular lash brand, and for $28 they better be good. Like, they do look cute, a little full of a lash. And then from Masks, so 2 kind of sheet masks. So again, like that moisturization, so biodegradable, so vitamin C, niacinamide, multi-berry complex, vegan, clean. I like that they're like a little bit more, does feel like the packaging is a little bit better. And then you have flower nectar, so multi-peptides, semen and I was saying that wrong, probiotics, flower extracts. So nice little sheet mask to help with your skin. So overall, like, happy with my box. Like, Boxy Charm at its base box is like that. I'm like, with prices going up, do I want to continue my premium, or at least my luxe is really like on that border line. So thanks much for watching, guys. I hope you have a great day. Bye.